Okay, in this video I'm just going to show you a new feature we added to PostTrans, and I hope you've watched various videos either on price lists or the training video to understand a lot of the concepts with PostTrans. But the new feature was really when a customer had a large data set, such as price structure. Here we are on the price structure template. I'm just going to extract the data while I carry on talking. Let's just let that work. Now, the customer in question said, well, I've got 20,000 items, so it takes a fair while to extract this data. I sort of go away and leave it, and then come back after a cup of tea, and it's got all the data. But what I want to do, really, is I want to work on certain items within that spreadsheet. So then you press the import button, and PostTrans then goes through the sheet looking for changes. Quite an overhead when you've got 20,000 or more items and you've only changed a handful of bits of data on there. So he said, is it possible to use the auto filter? So auto filter is a standard function in Excel. So I've just selected row 3 here, and we're going to see it in action. Let's go to data, and we're going to press filter at the top here. Now what that's done is it's added these little pull down handles, and the pull down handles allow me to add criteria to filter the spreadsheet, or you can see all the values in that column. So what I can do is select all, and I can say trader list A, in which case now my spreadsheet shows trader list A. It's hidden all other values and only hidden them. Okay, so I can go back up here and I can say clear that. Now, for instance, if I wanted to work on some stock items, I could say unselect all, and I could go through this list, and we have another way of kind of doing this. There'll be another video about that, but we can select a handful of items, and now we've filtered it down into those items. So you can see there these items appear on 2 trader lists, and I could say, what is the profit margin on them, and I can just change those figures on there, and then go to the PostTrans and the import button. And what PostTrans will now do, it will just process that small quantity of data. Significant increase in performance when dealing with such large sets of data.